Introducing Leader's NDI checker. Maintaining complete visibility across your entire NDI network with Leader's live monitoring solution optimized for broadcast and Pro AV environments. NDI checker live frame count. NDI checker features a live frame count monitoring which provides immediate insight into stream stability and continuity. This second-by-second analysis helps identify intermittent issues that might otherwise go undetected, such as encoder problems, network congestion, or source instability. For live productions where every frame matters, this feature provides the confidence that your content is being delivered consistently and completely. So, if you want to see what NDI Checker can do for your workflows, and whether it's the right fit, download the trial version of the NDI Checker software and try it for yourself using the QR code displayed on the screen.